glide through urban roads, or explore mountain wilderness. This single bike covers every travel scenario. This is the ultimate foldable electric assist bicycle crafted for adventure enthusiasts. The bike folds and unfolds rapidly, easy to load onto vehicles, letting you start your ride anytime, anywhere. It comes with a 60mm travel suspension front fork. It filters jolts on gravel paths and bumpy rural roads with consistent, gentle cushioning, delivering a steady and comfortable riding experience. The bike is fitted with a large capacity 48-volt, 13.6 ampere-hour lithium battery, holding 638.48 watt-hours of energy, offering an ultra-long riding range. It adopts a low step-through frame design. It is equipped with a 3.5-inch color screen, dashboard featuring 5-pedal assist modes. Oversized speed readouts make data simple to view. Shimano 7-speed gearing enables seamless shifts for low-effort cruising, and you may adjust to varied resistance workout modes to fit your personal demands. It also carries a low-decibel quiet motor system, with a rated output of 750 watts and a maximum peak power of 1056 watts, making every ride effortless and satisfying. We innovatively engineered a frame built with built-in shock-absorbing structures, letting you handle uneven, bumpy terrain with ease and granting a pleasant riding experience. For safety, it features a front and rear hydraulic brake system, paired with aluminum brake levers and large 180mm diameter brake rotors. It performs excellently during both braking and takeoff. It also boasts an exclusive one-piece integrated frame carry handle. When you need to lift the bike daily, it provides a perfectly centered grip point, simplifying carrying up stairs, crossing steps, and clearing obstacles. Portable and versatile, stable on all terrain. Powerful and safe, this all-terrain foldable electric bicycle redefines your outdoor adventures and daily commutes.